Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to show to you how to replace image in Canva. So what you have to do is simply create your design. So as you can see, I have this blank design here. And next, what you have to do is simply go to elements, and then you have to scroll down and go to frames. And then you have to choose any of these frames here. So I'm going to go with a basic shape so I can simply resize it to my design. So I'm going to resize it. And this is what you'll have to do, of course, based on your design. And then what you have to do next is simply upload your images, but I'm gonna use some free images from Canva. So I'm gonna use this one here to show you. So as you can see, simply drag and drop it, and if you double click on it, you can, as you can see, you can edit and you can resize the image if you want. So you'll have to simply double click on it and then simply click on done. And now if you want to add another image, you can simply choose any of your images that you just added and simply drag and drop it. And if you want, you can do this in bulk, so you can add the multiple designs, and you can easily change for each one of them. As you can see, simply drag and drop, and you can do this with any type of images. You can simply double tap to resize. As you can see, it's very easily to do, and after that you'll have to simply click on share and then simply click on download, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.